Hi guys, today it's we're outside and it's raining. Yay! Polka dots! And so we are going to do a video today of a big circle. We're trying this the best we can, a whole circle, like a huge circle. Yeah, rain. We're gonna do it in the rain. So we're trying to move all of it there. Okay, so just continue building. Hurry. We don't have time for this kind of rain.
Levi, build it for me.
Levi, let's build. How big is it gonna be? Can't. Okay, so let's build, Levi. Okay, Philip.
Look, Abba. Look, Abba. Look, Abba. Look, Abba.
Wow.
Look, Abba.
Levi, help me. We're gonna do a big circle. A big one.
Rain.
And ants. See, it's raining. No wonder. Oh, there. Huge house. Philip, so continue building. I mean, let's start building. Try not using the most of the straight, but how about try making it all the way up here to this line? And then we start turning. We go all the way here. Then come here. Half a little bit right here, and then drive straight right there. I mean, turn a little, like bumpy weird. So, yeah, I think I should help you guys, so I'm so sorry, but I really need to help you.
For the house. For the house.
This is, like, it's awesome when it's raining, but, like, like, serious, why did you come? Look at all our pieces now. Yeah, we're going to make a big one, Levi. Okay, so now we start turning.
I pull up. Big one.
Okay, I'll collect you. Here's a stack of them already. So go. No. Right here's the pieces for you guys. I'll go get more straights. Philip, here, could you actually hold the GoPro? This is how long it's gonna be. As long as right now. Philip, go work. Work. It's not like me, I'm just working. Come on, go. Work. Here, it's gonna go so long. Yeah, so hurry before school starts raining. Okay.
This one.
So
Don't use the
here,
bridge yet. Don't use the bridge yet.
so here we're gonna have lots of straights.
We need curly for that.
Yeah, put that thing over here. Here we have a straight. Try getting it all the way to here. I don't think you should go all the way to there. All the way to where then? Keep on building, Philip. So we're gonna end over here. Okay. So we should start. I think we have enough squares. I mean, this whole square. We were thinking it could be huge, like 4 of these squares. Looks like it's not even gonna be a square. It would be cool if we did a square.
I beam.
I thought it was a rock because we have rocks right there.
Okay.
Here, this is how we're gonna do it now since we ran out of squares. We're gonna make it wavy.
This one.
We're making it wavy over here? Yeah, sure. Then we could make it all the way here to that line and then go back to wavy and straight lines. I think we have enough straight. Levi, careful.
Help teleport.
Look at an ant! Who's that little ant? Careful. You better know where you're going. Who just farted? I'm just joking. You guys, Levi, look at ant. Wow, this is actually pretty big.
Oh, this one. More.
Okay, Philip, now start turning this way.
Oh, I thought we.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start turning that way, all the way to this corner, and then go back up there. Because I'm sure we have enough pieces, right, Levi? Levi, yeah?
Yes.
Start being crazy, and then I ask you a question. This is going big. Did you get it to the corner? Almost? Okay, it's fine. There's anyway some stupid ants there. So look at that, we're almost there. So I think we continue the curvy. Wow, Levi, this is big. The train is traveling. Look at how far we're going. On the hill? Haha! We made it.
Look at this one.
Oh no, we forgot our cargo. Let's go. Levi, go. Play it.
Can you put it here?
Yes.
Car. Car.
Look at that. Look at that. This is awesome. Oh no!
We have enough.
No, but this.
Yeah, we're gonna connect it to here.
No, we can't. So we'll have to go this way and turn right here. Where's the answer? See? Watch. See? This and this. So yeah, we'll have to. Look at that. It stopped raining. I mean, it was raining, but now it's stopped, right? Well, there's still a big cloud up there. It's bad to see, right? Well, it's still raining, actually. Oh, Levi, you're making houses? I have to do it like this. That's cool. Ready?
Look. Hey, turn the put it here.
No. Levi. Ready? There you go. Yeah, it's cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Go get more. Levi, go get more houses.
What?
I think this will be a good place. Okay. Philip, almost there? Oh, we might not have enough.
We do.
Oh, yeah. We even have a little bit of extras that we...
Look at that pile there.
Oh. You better start turning. I think there will be enough. Or even a little bit. Look at that. It's awesome. Yeah, just do that. Okay, so we made it. Levi, we made it.
What?
This is huge.
The big one?
It's awesome. Levi, awesome?
Or this one?
Huh?
Or this one?
Oh, he's showing one piece.
So let's try.
I think we could pull this thing out.
Oh, this
We have this
squeeze.
now.
Because it's squeeze. Yeah, let's make a squeeze. Small one.
Huh?
Also a squeeze.
He wants you to do somewhere. What's this? Look, a bee. It was just flying here right behind my legs, but it flew away.
We're heading to those flowers. And no. Yeah, Levi, you take care of that corner.
Made it?
Yeah, I will.
What about this one? You can't make it longer?
I have a perfect idea. I'll bring you some more curly.
Wait. You need more? But look at what I just think I figured out. How?
There. Oh, that. Yeah, that's a good idea. But I still have enough pieces for this.
Oh, but I have enough pieces for this idea. You'll help me.
We both have enough pieces for our idea. I help me. Minute.
We made it. Go give this to Philip. Dai Filippo. Say, here we go. Dai Filippo, dai
Go.
Filippo.
Це ти как надо делать. Вот, надо вот так.
Say, yay.
Эй!
This is awesome. Look at that. We got a small wavy little place right here. And then we got a Snafford station. Snafford station. Then we got this. And you see flashlights. And then it goes train.
But this one.
Then right here. Watch this.
Look over.
Wow.
Look over.
You could also press on this button if you don't want to do any of that. Philip, hurry. There's one thing that's laying down. Maybe you could use it. Right here. Then we're still building this a little bit here. It's Cricket. But it's got to work. Philip. Wow, this is just
I perfectly used all the
amazing.
train track pieces. This is what I was trying to do. Like,
Nice.
use all of
It's
them.
wavy. See, we have 2 more pieces. And
Yeah, those
now
two
we could
get
add decorations. So go ahead, you guys. Add some decorations everywhere.
I just added the train.
Where's the stop sign? Staring at the stop sign. Oh, it's over there. Okay, that's good, actually.
Yeah, that's the sign.
Yeah.